Before we begin, I would like to inform you that this video is divided into different sections. You can skip the video ahead or switch backward to any section for your convenience by using this timestamp. We have already discussed about cooperative legislation in the preceding video. You can always access and refer the topic by clicking on the link above or in the description. Now let us have a look at the objectives of cooperative legislation. The following are the basic objectives of cooperative legislation. First one is provision for organization and registration of cooperative enterprises. It refers to the various conditions or legal requirements needed for the registration of cooperative enterprises. Secondly, to allow certain privileges and concession to cooperative organization. It is a right and permit allowed to the cooperative organization for the efficient functioning. Thirdly, to grant certain financial and other assistance to cooperative enterprises. As the point itself highlights, it is the support given to the cooperative enterprise by way of financial and other assistance for the proper functioning. Subsequently, to preserve cooperative character by enforcing appropriate rules and regulations. It means to maintain and abide with the rules and regulations to keep the cooperative nature. The fifth one is to make it compulsory for cooperative enterprise to observe the principles and practice of cooperation. The point states to make the principles and practices obligatory by observation, then to register it as being significant. And the last point is to exempt cooperative organization from the provisions of certain other laws. It means to maintain the cooperative organization as a separate body and from the condition of other laws. Next, let us see the characteristics of cooperative legislation. The following are the important characteristics of cooperative legislation. The first one is legal formation. The formation of cooperative enterprise must be in accordance with the law of the land to make it a lawful organization. The second point is legal status. A cooperative society acts as a legal personality. It enjoys the right to own property, borrow and lend money, buy and sell goods, sue and to be sued. The third one is the organizational framework. The law provides the structure and pattern of a cooperative organization. It lays down rules for its operation. The fourth feature is legal control. The law entrusts the state to exercise control over the functioning of cooperative enterprises. The state can exercise control and provide financial and non-financial assistance to cooperative organizations. The fifth point is on auditing and accounting. The law set rules and regulation for the preparation and maintenance of accounts and records. It also lays down rules for the conducting the audit and inspection of cooperative enterprises. The last one is about maintaining cooperative character. The law set strict role for protecting cooperative character of the cooperative enterprise and thereby protects it from completion and conflicts of other unfair practices. Finally, let us know about the need and importance of cooperative legislation. Legislation transforms informality into formality. Cooperative legislations are set up for legal framework which implements the formal procedures in the functioning of cooperative enterprises. The following point clearly shows the need and importance of cooperative legislation. First and foremost is the existence of a cooperative law is a necessary for getting a cooperative policy to work. Secondly, cooperative legislation are necessary to provide legal security to the cooperative enterprise. Thirdly, in large and complex cooperative societies where control can no longer be based on close personal relationship, adequate legislation are necessary to protect the interests of the members. Next one is that the legislation are necessary to enforce the power, duties, responsibilities and liabilities of the members of cooperative enterprise. Last but not least, legislation prevent the deviation of cooperative enterprise from the principles of cooperation. So that's all for today's session. We have seen the term cooperative legislation, its objective, characteristics, need and importance. I hope you have understood. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.